Hi, I'm Allison Pilling, and I am a co-host of the Death Cafe QUINTE. Today I am going to talk to you about getting a legal will and your powers of attorney in place. So first off, I want to say I am not a lawyer, okay? So I'm not even going to pretend to give any sort of legal advice. What I'm sharing with you today is the information I received when I stopped into my local MPP's office. So that's within the province of Ontario in Canada. We have a local member of the provincial party, the parliament, and you can stop by their office and you can ask some questions there. Now, one thing I wanted to clarify is that you cannot get a legal will writing kit from your MPP. Okay, the Ontario government does not provide that. You do need to consult a lawyer. Now, I do believe there are some online options, but it is highly, highly recommended to consult a lawyer when you're drafting a will. It does not have to be expensive or complicated, but consulting a lawyer is to make sure that you have a proper legal will that addresses all the things that are unique to your life situation, right? So some people will have a very simple will. Some people will have multiple layers in their will. So consulting a lawyer is what you need to do for that. Now, how do you find a lawyer that will help you? That is something you can ask your local MPP's office, okay? They do know contacts in the area that can support you with this. So if you have any questions on how to get started, you can contact them. Now, one document that they do have is this powers of attorney booklet. Okay, and this will walk you through the steps of creating a legal power of attorney document, both for your continuing power of attorney for your property and for your personal care. If you're wondering what the difference is between this and a will is executed after you have died. Right? So that is executed by an executor and executrix assigned by the individual to take care of the matters in your estate once you are deceased. The powers of attorney are while you're still living. So these either it's one person or multiple that you assign to take care of major decision-making activities with respect to your property and your personal care. So some situations where this might be applied is if you have an extreme medical condition, right? Or if you're in an accident and you are unable, so you're still alive, but you're unable to make sound decisions based on your property and personal care moving forward. You can get these documents at your local MPP office and complete them. You can do this with your lawyer as well when you write your will, or you can also download these forms, okay? So I am going to include in the comments and in the description the link to these documents so that you can do this on your own if you wish. I would highly recommend that whoever you select as your power of attorney and your executor or executrix for your will, please have a conversation with them. Whether you pick one person or multiple, let them know that they've been selected and communicate what your wishes are so that if or when they ever have to execute these documents, they know what their role and responsibility is and what your wishes are. Okay, so I hope this information helps. If you have any questions, you can send them to me and I'll do the best I can. Like I said, I am not a lawyer. I am someone who has drafted my will and had to revise it based on changing life situations. I'm also someone who has been an executrix of a will. So I am familiar with these documents and I have done it all with my lawyer and getting that set up. So I do have some practice with working through an estate and a will. So again, if you have any questions, you can let me know and I'll try and point you in the right direction. Okay? I hope this was helpful.